Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about University of Mumbai exam preparation as well as Maharashtra CET exam preparation. In this video I will discuss about University of Mumbai and Maharashtra CET entrance exam. I will also discuss about major courses in University of Mumbai and Maharashtra CET exams for those courses for your better career. After that, I will also discuss about how you should start your preparation early. What are the career opportunities in these courses? Guys, if you are planning to pursue law, then you need to write Maharashtra Law CET examination. Likewise, if you want to pursue B.Ed, then you need to give Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination. After that, if you want to prepare for MBA, then you need to give Maharashtra MBA CET examination. And similarly, if you are from BSc IT, BSc Computer Science courses, and if you want to pursue your career in Master of Computer Application, that is MCA, then you need to give Maharashtra MCA CET examination. Okay, these all exams are mandatory for you if you want to pursue these courses. These exams are conducted by State Common Entrance Test Cell, that is nothing but Maharashtra CET cell, and the CET cell, it has been formed by Government of Maharashtra. Now guys, before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra Law CET, MCA CET, B.Ed CET, MBA CET for year 2022 and 23. In this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose, and mentorship by our exam mentors. So if you are dreaming to become a lawyer, or if you want to do MBA, or if you want to become a teacher, or if you want to make your career in MCA, then you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581455, or you can also visit to our website manuaredu.com. After that, let us discuss about very first University of Mumbai. So University of Mumbai, it is spreaded in 6 districts, mainly Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. So these 6 district colleges comes under Mumbai University. Okay, after this, if I talk about State Common Entrance Test Cell of Maharashtra State, so it comprise entire state के जो भी colleges है, so वो पूरे state के लिए आते हैं. After that, total affiliated colleges are 762. So in all these 6 districts, approx 762 colleges are affiliated to University of Mumbai. After this, all the colleges of Maharashtra states are affiliated to CET cell, mainly law colleges, MBA colleges, MCA colleges and B.Ed colleges. So this is a overview of University of Mumbai as well as State Common Entrance Test Cell, that is nothing but Maharashtra CET cell. Now let us discuss major courses in University of Mumbai. Okay, so first is BCom, BA, BSc. After that, second is BMS, Bachelor in Management Studies, Bachelor in Accounting and Finance, BBI, BIM, that is Investment Management. After that, BSc IT, BSc CS, BSc Biotechnology, BE, BTech Engineering courses are also there. Apart from these courses, there are many more courses like Mass Media is there, and फिल्म टीवी न्यू मीडिया प्रोडक्शन इज देयर विच इज़ देयर इन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई. अगर आप ये कोर्सेज परस्यू कर रहे हैं तो आप कौन कौन से एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लिख सकते हैं. सो MHCET एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन, इफ़ यू वांट टू परस्यू लॉ, then you can write Maharashtra Law CET examination. The eligibility is only you need to have graduation with 45%. Okay, if you are in BMS, BAF, BBI, BIM, then if you want to make your career in MBA, then you can write Maharashtra MBA CET examination. If you are a students of computers, that is BSc IT या BSc Computer Science आप कर रहे हैं, then you can write MCA CET examination, that is Maharashtra CET for Master in Computer Application. This is the post graduation course. Or apart from these all things, if you want to make your career in teaching, then you can give Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination. So guys, for all these courses you can give these CET examination. And let me tell you one thing guys, it is mandatory to give. विदाउट दैट, अगर आपको लॉ परस्यू करना है, आप महाराष्ट्र लॉ CET का एग्जाम नहीं लिखोगे, यू वोंट गेट एडमिशन. सिमिलरली फॉर MBA, सिमिलरली फॉर MCA एंड आफ्टर दैट सिमिलरली इट इज़ फॉर B.Ed. ओके, बिकॉज कैप राउंड्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे प्रोसेस होते हैं. फॉर दैट you need to give Maharashtra CET examination. Okay, so these are the courses and these are the entrance examination which you can write. After this, start preparation early from your graduation year, because अगर आप early start करते हो तो you have very high chances to get selected in the top colleges, and if you are selected in the top colleges then you will get good placement as well as good amount of salary. So you need to balance the time with respect to your graduation exam preparation, whether you are in SY, BSc, BA, BCom और अदर कोर्सेज आर ऑल्सो देयर, या आप सेकेंड ईयर में हो और या फिर आप थर्ड ईयर BSc में हो या BA में हो या फिर BCom में हो या फिर अदर कोर्सेज में हो. You need to balance your time with respect to graduation exam preparation, and उसी के साथ आपको okay you need to prepare for Maharashtra CET examination, for law CET, MBA CET, MCA CET and B.Ed CET. For these 4 entrance you need to balance your time. During your graduation time से आपने प्रिपरेशन शुरू किया एंड आपने एफर्ट्स लगा के ये इन सब में टॉप कॉलेजेस आपको मिल गए, योर करियर विल बी सेटल्ड. सो आपको सिर्फ अर्ली स्टार्ट करना है एंड विद द राइट प्लान एंड स्ट्रैटेजी. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑल्सो. इफ यू परस्यू MCA, you can work as a software developer, you can work as a data scientist, you can work as a business analyst, network engineer, web developer. Okay, if you have pursued B.Ed, then you can be a primary teacher, that is PRT teacher, you can be a TGT teacher, or you can be a PGT teacher, postgraduate teacher. Okay, so these things you can do after pursuing B.Ed. Now let us discuss about law. So what you can do after law? So you can work in law firm, you can work as a judge in a district court or civil court. Okay, you can do government jobs like bank mein hai, SEBI is there, IBPS is there. You can work as a legal advisor for a corporate company. Okay, so these things after law you can do it. And after MBA you can work as a manager in a company, you can work in a marketing department, you can work in a business development department, you can work as a human resource manager. So these are the career opportunities after pursuing MCA, B.Ed, law, MBA. Guys, if you want to prepare for Maharashtra MCA CET entrance exam for 2022 and 23, then you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will definitely help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. Okay, you can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box, so do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.